Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find remote jobs using Indeed, one of the most popular job search platforms out there. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This ensures you can save jobs you're interested in and track your applications all in one place. After logging in, you'll land on Indeed's main dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll notice a prominent search bar. This is where you'll specify what type of job you're looking for. Click on this search bar to activate it, and then type in your desired job title, relevant keywords, or even a specific company name you'd like to work for. For this example, let's say you're searching for video editor positions. Go ahead and type video editor into that first search field. Now, right beside that search bar, you'll see another input field. This second field is specifically for location, but here's where the magic happens for remote work. Click on this location field and simply type the word remote. This tells Indeed's search algorithm that you're only interested in positions that can be done from anywhere, filtering out all the location-specific jobs that would require you to commute or relocate. Once you've entered both your job title and the word remote in the location field, click the Find Jobs button. Indeed will now process your search criteria and display all available remote positions that match what you're looking for. The results page will show you a curated list of remote job opportunities specifically tailored to your job title and keywords, making it much easier to find positions that fit your skills without geographic limitations. And that's it. You've successfully set up a remote job search on Indeed and can now browse through opportunities that allow you to work from anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.